YouTube saying the app is out of date? Fix it fast in under a minute. First, make sure your phone is on Wi-Fi and has enough battery. Open the Google Play Store and tap your profile icon in the top right. Search for YouTube, then press Update if the button appears. If it says Open instead of Update, the app is up to date. Try the next step if the error persists. If the issue continues, go to Settings, then Apps or Applications and find YouTube. Open YouTube's app info and tap Storage to view cache and data options. Tap Clear Cache first. This removes temporary files without deleting your account data. If the problem remains, choose Clear Data or Clear Storage. This resets the app settings. Still stuck? Uninstall YouTube and reinstall it from the Play Store to get a fresh install. After updating or reinstalling, open YouTube and play a short video to confirm the error is gone. Recap update, clear cache, reinstall if needed. Subscribe for more quick tech fixes and comment if this helped.